Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload short videos on the YouTube app. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Now, let's presume you just created your new account and you want to upload your first short. All you gotta do, you need to click on the lower center of the screen and hit the plus sign. When you're over here, I want you to pay attention on the lower right corner. There is a small slider that changes the menu and changes what you really want to upload. If you see, I'm gonna move from video to shorts to live to post. In our case, we're gonna keep the slider towards short and we're going to create our first shorts. We're gonna pick the first shorts. This is the video that we selected over here, and now if you look at the upper right corner, there is a timer of 15 seconds. You can change this by simply clicking on it and making it 60 seconds. This is for longer videos and shorter videos. So choose the length of your short video appropriately. Also on the lower side of the equation, you have this small slider which will essentially reduce the length of the video by simply dragging it from each side towards the end. And this is how you can actually proceed in the first filter phase. Then click done on the lower right corner. Now at this phase over here guys, we're going to be able to simply first add music to our short. You can browse to what is currently recommended or top sounds, or you can simply scroll through the different genres: hip hop, dance, electronic, indie, alternative, R&B. You can also go up on the search bar and look for particular artists or band. So this will also help you to find the exact song for the actual short. The next thing is you can also add text to your short. In our case, we are having a Las Vegas trip, okay? And then you can place the Las Vegas trip underneath, because remember, we have to create a small thumbnail out of this, so don't place anything in the middle of the screen. The next option is the trip function. I showed you already how you can simply drag this from center to the from the ends to the center. You can also add voiceover on the next option over here. If you have an explanatory session and you don't add any music, you cannot add music and add voiceover at the same time. The next option is the timeline. This is where you set a particular splits in between the actual duration of the video. You can simply drag this and choose which part to be shown or which part to actually start from. The last option over here is the filter. Nothing too crazy with the filters guys. I would say this is just simply another layer on the actual content. I never use this because I don't like them that much. When you're almost done guys, you gotta press done and you gotta press next on the upper right. On the last section over here guys, we are going to first of all choose our thumbnail. Like I mentioned you, just pay attention on the upper right. There's a small pen on top of the our video, right? We're gonna click on the small pen and we're going to drag the image underneath towards right. We're going to choose which part will be our thumbnail. This is perfect for thumbnail. When you choose the part of the video to appear as a thumbnail, click done. You see how nice it looks like. Now we're gonna add the captions. Las Vegas trip. We're going to add one hashtag. It will be Las Vegas. Right, you will get a bunch of suggestions underneath as a popular hashtags. Then we're going to add the visibility. There are 4 different options. You can set it as a public, you can set it as private, you can make it as unlisted, so somebody else with the link will be able to see it, or you can set it for a scheduled post, which will be posted later. In this example over here guys, the next section will be to select the audience. This is not made for kids, right? You want to make sure that you include this so the ads will be able to run on it. And essentially this is everything that you want to pay attention to. If you're running a collaboration or brand deal, brand sponsorship, you want to come on the last option over here and you want to add the label that this is a promotion, okay? The last step is simply to click upload short. If you don't want to upload it, you can click on the left button, which is saved as a draft. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.